Hello, students and scholars. Mr. LaValle here. I just want to go ahead and share with you how you record a response in FlipGrid. So when you click on the link, you're going to see a page that's going to show you everything you need to know. Right here, we've got all of the information and instructions that a teacher might put for you. And then whatever the prompt is, whatever it is they want you to be doing in the assignment is going to be here as well. You can see down below there are other responses. If the teacher has allowed those to be visible, you'll see them there. You can click the red record a response button. It might still be a green circle with a white plus for you. Either one of those you can click, or this icon, and it will let you go right in to make your video. There's also a little audio reader here that you can use to be able to read everything that's on the screen for you if you want to have it read to you. And then once you're ready, you are going to hit the record a response button. So let's do that. Then you will sign in with your Google account. And it'll let you in. It'll bring up this window, and hey, there I am. Look at that. So from here, I'm going to show you some options. First thing I want to show you is right here, this little show topic button. When you hit that, it'll bring up the topic prompt where you can read from it. Great thing about this is you can move it off to the side, or you can put it right in front of you so you can read from it, and it looks like you're looking at the screen, kind of like teleprompters are used for famous speeches for presidents and things like that. But you can put it wherever you're comfortable with and add that. Another really on this, no one sees this but you. This does not get recorded on the screen. That's just for you. The other thing that's just for you that only you see is this little sticky notes. You can think of this kind of like when you have to make note cards when giving a speech, and you can write anything you want in here to remind yourself of something that you have to do. Might be facts about something in there, but again, only you see that, and you can move that anywhere you want on the screen. But it is there for you. Awesome feature to keep notes, to remind yourself of things you want to say. Some other things on here, great features is filters. Filters, you know what it's like, Snapchat and things where you can change the colors. This is a cool feature, this pixelate, because I know a lot of students don't want their faces to be seen and they're shy. This can help you still talk and still be on the screen but not be perfectly seen. If you like that, you can add that. Then you have a text feature where you can actually put text on there to share if you want to. And again, that can be moved anywhere around on the screen. There is a pen, drawing pen that you can draw things with. Here I'm going to do a heart. Let's check it out. Mr. LaValle's heart skills. Oh, heart, tomato, 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 heart, whatever. There's that option as well. And also, if you want to draw on a board, they have a whiteboard, blackboard, this little option here. Click that whiteboard, and you can make it white when you do it. So there's just that, and there's not a person there. You can also do it in black if you prefer to do that as well, and you can do that. So those are options there. The last option of things you can do here is a custom sticker. And the sticker is where you can add a picture if you want to say you're presenting some kind of picture, or you're doing a president's speech, and so you want to put a picture of your president up there. You can add that picture there as well, and move that wherever you want it to be. Oh, I skipped the stickers option, and that's basically just emojis. So you can add emojis in there as well. I'm going to bring myself back here, turn that off with the off. So you can add emojis if you want to make yourself into an emoji, something like that. Yes, that's definitely an improvement. My wife will probably agree. So these are all different options you can use as well. You can also get rid of them by just selecting on them, and you can hit the delete button, and any of these will disappear. You have plenty of choices and different things you can do. They're a lot of fun here. So I'm just going to hit the record button and actually record this just so we can go on to the next screen and you can see what's next. So for our next piece, go ahead and hit pause. If you don't like it, you can always hit the redo. Then you can hit next, and in next, so we go on to the next screen, you can it'll start to play it for you. And then you can edit here. You can add more by clicking add more, and it will just continue from where you left off. If you like what you see there, that's fine. You can also click on it, so we go on to the next screen, and you can trim it down just like other trimming software that I'm sure many of you have used if you want to cut out a piece. Once you got it the way you like it, then you hit this confirm button down here on the bottom. It's just so we go on to the next screen, and you have that option to add more again, or go ahead and hit the next. Here, to finish off of the video, you can add yourself a selfie for the video. Puts a little picture on there for you, and so you can throw whatever you want to throw on there if you choose to do it. Just remember to make whatever you put on here, still make it appropriate for school. Remember, this is all for school kinds of things. And you snap a picture. Oh, in the screen. Oh yeah, there it is, done. Hit next, and your video will upload. And at this point, your teachers will get an email saying you have posted a video. Put your name in there. Your teachers will probably give you suggestions on what they want. Usually first name, last name is probably what they're going to ask for. You can give it a title if you want. You can give it a link if you want. But make sure the name is there. Submit the video. It says, woohoo, good job, you're done, you did it. Then you can hit complete. And your video will appear in the list with all the other videos. Now, comes from a refresh. You'll see it appear there once it's been refreshed. And there's the video I just made right here. And you can comment on other people's videos. So let's say you want to comment on this video right here.
What is one fun fact about you?
Right there, a little girl being a student for me, answering those questions. You click this little reply button right here, and it allows you to do another video. I'll log in as me. And then it's the same exact kind of thing. You do your reply, you say what you want to say, you hit complete, and when you do that, it will appear with this little thing right here, and it'll say your name, and so you'll see those options. Now anybody can see those responses, so make sure to make them professional, make sure to make them appropriate, and make them meaningful and constructive. Don't just say, yo man, good job dude, that was an amazing video. That doesn't tell anybody anything. Tell them something about the video that they did that was done well. Make it a meaningful feedback comment. So that is how to use FlipGrid in a nutshell. I appreciate you listening, checking it out. Ask your teachers if you have questions. You can also hunt down Mr. LaValle as well. And I hope that you enjoy this program. I think it's a lot of fun. I hope you do too. Take care and take care of yourselves during this time. Have a good one.